What comes to your mind when you think of filmmaking? Is it travel, locations, star, glamour, money, or fame? Or is it the labor of writing scripts, penning hundreds of pages, eventually thrown into the garbage, day in and day out, perfecting the script? And in those days, you wonder, am I talented enough? It's about locations, casting, financing the movie, convincing production houses, going door to door. And if nothing goes right, a filmmaker goes out to finance his own movie, maxing out the savings, taking loans just to make a film. And by this, the question of being good or bad goes out of the window. And they wonder how will be their movie. Sometimes this hard work pays off and they go on to make masterpieces. And sometimes they fail, only to stand again and try again. To do all these just to get criticized, scrutinized, abused, and judged by whom? These so-called critics, knowing nothing about the art, passing their verdict as if they know the science of it. And according to their formula, the movie doesn't fit. This pains me. It makes me furious. I'm no filmmaker. I haven't gone through the struggle, but I'm a student of filmmaking. I'm a freak about movies, and this freaks invites all the freaks to join me here. Not to judge or to review, but to learn, to analyze, to know, to make, to eat, to breathe movies. And maybe one day we can be filmmakers too. Well, we might not be saving lives, but we will certainly change them. How do you feel about these so-called critics? Comment down your views on this. It's important to me. Guys, join me here. Let's make our own community. Subscribe to the channel. Check out our Instagram page. We post some awesome, insightful stuff on daily basis. Subscribe That Movie Freak. Like the video. Follow us on Instagram, That Movie Freak. Thank you. Can't wait to publish more videos.